And this is how we bring the future to life, sustainably.
For 40 years, the rule was simple: keep humans away from machines. Danger signs and cages defined our relationship with automation. Automation meant isolation, removing the human element completely. But that era is ending. Industry 4.0 is now over. Welcome to the age of human-centric automation and collaboration. We call this Industry 5.0. It's not about replacement anymore. It's about collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. We move from man versus machine to man plus machine synergy. Manufacturing faces a global crisis of unprecedented scale today. A shortage of 2 million skilled workers will hit by 2030. We cannot find enough people to run the old factories anymore. And robots alone are dumb. 1 inch off and they all fail. Humans have the dexterity, while robots have the raw strength. So what if we perfectly combined their unique capabilities? This is the story of how we gave workers real superpowers through enhanced vision using augmented reality glasses, through augmented strength with mechanical exoskeletons,
Hello,
and
operator.
through shared
How can I help?
intelligence with AI co-pilot systems. The factory of the future is not empty of human presence. It is actually more human and collaborative than ever before. Meet the Cobot, the collaborative robot for modern work. Unlike its ancestors, it senses you and knows when to stop. Safe enough to work alongside you without any safety cage. You don't program it with complex code, you teach by touch. If you can use a smartphone, you can program this robot. This democratizes automation even for small businesses. It handles all the boring, repetitive tasks efficiently. So the human can focus on the art and creative aspects.
The creativity that cannot be automated.
High payload cobots handle heavy industrial work safely. They act as gravity-defying assistants for human workers. Precision welding, overseen by a master human welder. The human is the conductor, the robot is the orchestra. Eliminating the most common source of serious back injury. Return on investment can happen in just 6 short months. This means less physical fatigue and much more productivity. Force torque sensors act as its sensitive nervous system. safety is fundamentally baked into the hardware itself. Flexible assembly lines that can change products quickly.
Down to the adhesive station. Hey, pass me the driver.
Workers
Thanks.
don't hate these robots, they actually name them. They become a valued and trusted part of the whole team. But what about when the human becomes the machine itself? These are modern industrial exoskeletons for workers. They transfer weight from the human back to the ground, making 50 pounds feel almost like just 5 pounds. Overhead work is the true killer of human shoulders. Passive exoskeletons lock to support the arms perfectly. They reduce harmful muscle activity by a full 40%. This is not a movie. This is the Ford assembly line now. Major manufacturers are already standardizing this gear. The chairless chair lets you sit anywhere on thin air. Switching from sitting to walking in mere seconds flat. Active suits use motors to add genuine raw lifting power, extending the valuable careers of skilled older workers. The ultimate goal is achieving zero work-related injuries. In logistics, speed and endurance are absolutely everything. Smart suits now track posture and movement data live, identifying dangerous movements before injury happens. Going home with energy left for your family and life. The perfect integration of human biology and technology. Superhuman strength is now standard personal protection. Physical strength is nothing without knowledge and data. Augmented reality now directly guides the worker's hand. No more confusing paper manuals or wasted search time. Instant instructions appear right in your field of view. Instant validation with digital check marks for each step. A new hire can perform like a 10-year seasoned veteran.
I need a second
Stuck?
opinion on this.
Instantly
Show me what
call
you're
a
seeing.
remote expert for
Try
live
adjusting the
assistance.
angle slightly to the left and apply gentle pressure.
The issue is with this coupling
Remote
here.
experts can draw directly onto your real world. This is the power of the factory's digital twin system. A perfect virtual mirror of the entire physical world. We intentionally break things inside the digital world first, so we never have to break them in the expensive real world. Controlling physical machinery from the virtual interface. AR quality control spots microscopic errors instantly. We project light instructions directly onto work surfaces, gamifying the entire complex assembly process visually. Errors drop by over 90% with these systems, visually untangling incredibly complex wiring harnesses. The interface becomes the very world all around you. We are closing the skills gap with accessible live data. Closing the skills gap with accessible live data streams. But who creates and manages all this valuable data? AI. Generative AI is the new intelligent factory foreman. Using natural language processing for simple communication.
Okay.
Machines that can finally explain why they stopped working. Predicting the future of machine failures before they ever happen. Proactively fixing components before they ever actually break. AI rapidly generates thousands of innovative part designs. The human chooses and refines the best direction. AI dynamically manages the global flow of all parts. This is the power of distributed swarm intelligence.
How is the new
Optimizing
assembly
where
process
humans
working with
should
the
and
cobots?
should not be.
Much faster, Supervisor. The precision is unmatched.
Real-time AI analysis of worker ergonomics and posture. Protecting privacy while safeguarding worker health. AI filtering out harmful industrial noise frequencies. Mass customization at the speed of mass production. Smart scheduling adapts based on real worker fatigue data. Voice
Switch to
commands
product
trigger
B.
instant production changeovers. The entire factory adapts to new products instantly. This represents the ultimate human-AI partnership. The artificial intelligence is the brain of the operation. Let's examine the real-world industry leaders now. BMW dramatically reduces thumb strain in assembly. Logistics giants like Amazon are transforming completely. Robotic arms handle millions of unique items. Medical device manufacturing requires 100% perfection. In this field, any failure is simply not an option. Smart farming brings automation to the agricultural fields. Delicate robotic harvesting of fruits like strawberries. Construction remains the final frontier for automation. Drones perform dangerous inspection work safely now. Small businesses can double their productive output.
This quickly. It's incredible what the integration has done for the workflow.
We are preserving invaluable tribal technical knowledge,
Past that, and you get microfractures every time.
enabling sustainable and ethical fashion production. Microassembly of tiny electronic components precisely. The dirty and dangerous jobs are finally disappearing.
Maintain current speed.
Achieving perfect consistency in food service preparation. The irreplaceable human touch always remains vital. Scaling this technology up to massive shipbuilding scale. Managing farms of 3D printers with just one human. This technology is helping to reshore manufacturing. The fear is always exactly the same: massive job loss. Will human workers become completely obsolete someday?
We are facing an automation apocalypse.
The integration of these machines.
The reality is a necessary shift, not a simple deletion.
Yes, just like that.
Moving from manual lifter to skilled system pilot. These are higher paid and higher skilled human roles. For every robot, we need a human to maintain it properly. This opens the industry to far more diverse people.
The next solder point is R12.
Let's verify the flux.
Raw strength is no longer a core job requirement. Creating true accessibility within modern manufacturing.
Look at that sky.
The result
Doesn't
is a
get much better than
dramatically
this.
better quality of
Hard to
life.
believe it's a factory exit.
All right, everyone, have a great evening. See you tomorrow.
Companies that
automate
grow.
strategically will
This
all
is a
grow.
strategic business imperative, not a niche ideal.
Those that refuse to adapt will inevitably fade away. Leading to cheaper and better goods for everyone. Precision manufacturing means dramatically less waste. Enabling truly green and sustainable manufacturing.
That's excellent
We must
progress.
prepare
How
the
did you
next
solve the alignment
generation
issue?
properly now.
The code for the servo motors.
Awesome, it's working perfectly now.
See how the joint moves?
This fundamental
These sensors
change
tell it
starts
where it
right
is.
in our schools.
Regularization.
Does it stop if something is in the way?
Yes, that's the safety feature.
This tool path
Bridging
here,
the
based
generational
on my
knowledge
experience,
divide
you wanna
with Keck.
reduce the feed rate. It'll give you a cleaner finish and save the bit.
Restoring genuine dignity to all forms of labor. We are putting the human firmly back in the center. So, what will the year 2035 actually look like? Humanoid robots entering the collaborative workforce. Not just robotic arms, but full robotic legs too. What about direct neural control interfaces? Moving machines with pure thought is truly coming. MackFactories located in every single neighborhood. A hyper-connected global manufacturing brain. Beginning manufacturing in space and off-world. Growing products biologically instead of building. But today, right now, it comes back to fundamentals. It comes back to the human touch and intuition. It comes back to human judgment and experience. It comes back to human passion and creativity. Advanced technology is merely a powerful tool. Humanity remains the essential architect always.
The future isn't something that happens to us. We are building it. And it is in very good, very human hands.